Welcome to the RedditRank AI training video series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use AI comment generator. From the left side menu, click on AI comment generator. You can enter the post title. You can enter the post content. You can enter the target subreddit. You can select the comment type. You can select the comment tone. You can select the language. You can select the length. You can select the comment variation. You can also provide special instructions. Click on Generate. On the right side, you can see the comment. You can rewrite it. You can expand the content. You can shorten the content. You can also copy the comment. You can save the comment. You can regenerate the comment. You can download the CSV file. You can download the Excel file. You can view both variations. You can also view your history. Thanks for watching the video.